Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday, May 29th. Oh my goodness, this is the last day of distance learning for the month of May. That is crazy. When we come back on Monday, it will be the very first day of June. Well, anyway, today is day number 1, which means it's Spanish with Miss Norman. So be sure to check out her lesson in the specialist folder. The other exciting thing is at 11 o'clock today is when we have our class meeting. And since it was so much fun playing bingo last week, we're going to play bingo again today, except we're going to be playing alphabet bingo. So before our class meeting, make sure you take one blank piece of paper and we need to fold it. You're going to take the paper and fold it in half. Remember, if you lay it down on a table, then you can have an easier time matching those corners. I'm going to take it again and I'm going to fold it in half again. So I call this my hot dog fold because he looks like a long, skinny hot dog. Rub my fingers on those lines. Now I fold it top to bottom, really trying hard to make sure that those corners meet. And here's the hardest fold, that very last one, because you have so many pieces of paper. And I really try to squish him so that he's even. And this is when I really need to pinch him to get him tight. Now, we folded that paper so many times that when you open it up, you should have 4 boxes. And when you open it up again, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now you have 8 boxes. And 8 plus 8 equals 16. When you're all done, you will have 16 boxes. It's kind of hard to see my fold lines there, but there are 16 boxes. You could use a pencil, a crayon, a marker, it doesn't matter, but I usually draw lines on top of those fold marks so that I can see my boxes. And friends, you know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet. But since we only have 16 boxes, you have to pick 16 of them, any 16 you want, and put one letter in each box. You could use uppercase, you could use lowercase, or you could even write uppercase and then write lowercase next to it. Write nice and neat though, so that you're able to read them, so that when I call a letter today, you will be able to mark your bingo board. So at 11 o'clock, have your bingo board ready and have something to use to kind of mark your box, something to lay on top of it. Could be pennies, could be nickels, little Legos, little pieces of paper that you have, something to mark your bingo board. So it should be a fun day. And after bingo, don't forget to have a fabulous weekend as well. So take care. Hope to see you at bingo.